We're here at Collegetown Center. We're on floor number 5 of the 6th floor elevator building, and we're about halfway down the hallway. We're going into apartment 516. This is a rectangle style studio. That's our regular style, and this is the entrance. We've come in through the kitchen. There's the refrigerator. You can see the freezer part is on top. The dishwasher is under the sink. There's a microwave and a stove and oven, and there are assorted cabinets and drawers here in the kitchen. In this even number style apartment like 16, you can see there's some good wall space across from the kitchen. This is a nice space that you can add a small shoe rack or a very narrow table or some other storage for some extra items to store here in your apartment. Let's go on into the apartment. We'll pass by the closet. Let's take a look. Here's our closet. So we've got a shelf, hanging space, and some floor space in the closet. As we go into the room, these apartments will always have the same furnishing items. It will be a dining table and chair, a dresser, a full-size bed, a tall bookshelf, and a desk and chair. The style of these items may vary from unit to unit, but they will be these same items provided. Let's look in the bathroom before we go and take a look out the window. So the bathrooms have that tub shower with a sliding door. You can see the vanity that does open up for more storage underneath the sink, the toilet, the mirror, there's a light, and there's a rack for a towel, and this cabinet over on the wall with the mirror does open for some more storage space for small items in the bathroom. Let's go on in and take a look. You can see over here, the heater panel in this apartment is slightly different than we have in some of the other units. That's unique to some of the apartments in the building. So this is the new style of heater panels, and there's a little toggle switch to adjust that for heating. So that's different. Some of the other units will have a different style heater. You can see the air conditioner is under our window. Let's go take a look out the window. So we are on the north side, the Dryden Road or street side of the building. You can see over to our left, we've got some more open valley views. And we can see down in Collegetown, this is the best people watching here in central Collegetown. You can see what's going on. We're up on a pretty high floor. We're on number 5. Again, this is a 6th floor building. We have quite a number of these rectangle style studios available. The even number styles will always look like this. The odd style have the kitchen on the other side. And so we're in Collegetown Center in a north rectangle, even number studio on the 5th floor here at 151 Dryden Road at the intersection of College Ave and Dryden Road, just 1 block from campus.